Excuse me, ma'am and sir. I want to introduce myself. My name is Anita. I'm 29 years old. I come from Cirebon, West Java of Indonesia. I'm married. I have two children. The first, he is 7 years old. The second, he is 4 years old. My husband's job is farmer. I can cook simple food like fried chicken, fried noodle, and chicken soup. I can take care of baby, old age, and children. I can speak English but little, and I'm willing to learn. I can speak Cantonese but little. I have experience before in Dubai 4 years and Singapore 1 year. I promise to work hard, obedient, honest, obey for my employer, and finish contract 2 years with my employer. See you to Hong Kong. Bye bye.